What's this? This? This is Ordem do Carmo Church.
What's this?
This here? This is Fontes Leões, Leões Fountain.
And that one?
Oh, that one? That's the rectory of the university.
Huh. What's this?
This is Lelo Bookshop. Oh, whoa.
What is this?
Well, this is now the Portuguese Center of Photography, but it used to be a jail.
Oh. Okay. What in the world is this?
This is Torre dos Clérigos, or Clérigos Tower.
Huh.
Look.
What's this?
Ah,
What's this? Oh, what's this? What's this? Whoa! What's all this?
stop. Well, this is the typical day for a tour guide here in Porto, in which we have to answer questions about everything and anything. Well, João, this is Rua dos Caleireiros Street.
Wow! You know what this reminds me of? My mom. When I was little, she answered all of my questions, including why, and why. Now let's see how we're using AI to handle all the questions.
Hi, so I'm here to talk about our feature, AI Agent, to talk with your data. Hi, there's something different about you.
Okay.
Where were we? Oh, talking with your data. We have here our AI assistant. Hello Jarvis, what's happening with my factory? Yeah, not yet. Next year. Maybe. So, real talk. How can you talk with your data using Coreflux? So, we have here our AI assistant, not Jarvis, and we have some data, a lot of data, like you have in your project, and you want to know what is happening. You can look at your data, or you can just ask your assistant. So the first thing we're going to do is exactly that. Very general question, but a really full report of everything. It is saying the machine is active, is in the mid-cycle, producing automatically, everything is safe, and already giving us some production information. I'll ask him to calculate some KPIs. So, what is my OEE? Let's see if you can do some basic math. He calculated the availability, performance, quality, and we have a OEE, our final indicator. This is interesting, but now, I want this data every single day, calculated automatically. I can ask my agent to do that. I'll change from insight to agent. The difference is insights, it's only for asking stuff, and he won't change anything in the broker. Now that you want to build some automation with lots, I can change to the agent mode and then ask it to build an action for me. So I'll ask it, can you create a lot action to calculate the quality KPI automatically? I'm just talking with my assistant and he's doing all the heavy lifting for me. So he already built some lots, asking me to deploy. I accept, and the action will appear and start calculating everything without any more need for interactions by me. I can see a new KPI, and he is explaining how he calculated this information. From now on, I don't even need to ask Jarvis. It's already pre-calculated. Or when I ask Jarvis, he doesn't have to think very hard. The information is already here. So, now you're thinking, Tiago, is this safe? How do you handle the data and the AI, the privacy and everything related? Let's look under the hood. What is happening here? If you go to your connections, you see a broker agent. I already configured everything before this demo, but the first time you enter the hub, you'll see a prompt for you to select what do you want to do. You can use your own API key for OpenAI, for Anthropic, to use the latest models, or even, if you want, you can use Ollama for a local model to run on-prem and ensure that the data is closed in the same machine. Whatever you prefer, you can build it here. So safety first with your data. Do you have a Barroso in your life that's always, what's this, what's this, what's that, what's this, what's everything? Maybe this part is for you. So for example, we built templates starter kit where you can find our templates for your use cases, but instead of a traditional templates website, we built in an AI assistant where you can ask and talk about your use case and you'll find the best templates for you. For example, I want to monitor my solar panels. How can I do it? So he gave me two templates, one focusing on a route connectivity, but a more general use case to monitor a solar inverter. But let's say you are already implementing, you want to add some nice features that are beyond these templates, and you want to know more. You go to our documentations website, our docs, but looking at docs sometimes is a bit annoying. We have here our AI assistant where you can add and ask any questions. And he'll look throughout all of the docs and find you the most relevant results and even adjust to your scenario. So you can quickly look, find the relevant pages, or just copy paste and build your own solution. Whatever you need, you have it here. What is that? What does Coreflux do? What is a lot action? Just ask the AI assistant. Let's do AI times AI and show you another neat feature that you have in Coreflux. You can create agents built in your automation. So let's say for the OEE example, how can I create an agent that sends me a report for my production data on my email every day? And here it can help build it for you or explain the concepts or just link you the correct page for you to build by yourself. Another scenario. I asked about my factory, but now in my building in another company, remote in another city, I have some HVAC units. Someone has been complaining a bit about noise. I don't know if it is working okay. I want to know how are things doing in the other side of the country. What is happening with my UTA? And he'll look at my data and try to find information about it. He couldn't find the first time. He's asking me for help. So, I know information is here. I can add the information about the topic because I know a bit more about the system, and he'll look at everything inside, exactly like I would looking at the data and seeing its information. So he is discovering what is needed, and we have here a report. We have a problem on motor 2. Let's see maybe what is happening there. It says degraded, needing attention, and there's a problem with the bearings. So we have here a machine learning model that detects from vibration if everything's okay, and it is analyzing that data and saying caution, it needs to be replaced and exactly where the problem is. But I want to check if it's still working or really it has stopped, and I want it to put it on a TV, not having to go here every time. So I'll quickly develop a dashboard, and by me, I'll say my intern, my assistant, I'll ask him to develop a dashboard for me to look at. Create me a dashboard where I can see the vibration data, the temperature, and the bearing health for the two machines. Now it's a part, it is taking a while. Okay, so he analyzed my request and is asking me to deploy it. I click here to deploy, and in a second I'll see the new dashboard to see if everything's okay, and yes, we can look at it. We have a new dashboard with the current information. All of this without needing to know Coreflux. Okay, I guess we're done. Next time it's your turn, Jarvis. Let's develop you.
So if you don't mind me asking, what is this?
Well, this is Sunbury train station.
Oh, you know what that is?
We're gonna talk about it inside. Let's go.